How to add Payoneer payment method on Shopify, step by step. If you want to add Payoneer as a payment method on your Shopify store, this video will guide you step by step. Many dropshipping store owners use Payoneer to receive international payments and manage their online business finances. However, it's important to understand that Payoneer does not directly connect as a checkout payment gateway in Shopify, like some other payment providers. Instead, Payoneer is usually used to receive payouts from supported payment gateways. Let's go through the setup process. First, open your browser and log in to your Shopify admin dashboard. Once you are inside the dashboard, go to the bottom left corner and click on Settings. Inside the Settings menu, click on Payments. Here you will see different payment providers that you can activate for your store. Choose a supported payment gateway that allows payouts to Payoneer. Many third-party payment providers support receiving funds through Payoneer accounts. Click Choose Third-Party Provider, then search for the payment gateway you want to use. Follow the instructions to connect that gateway to your Shopify store. During the setup process, you will be asked to add your bank account details for receiving payouts. Here, you can enter the bank details provided by your Payoneer account, such as the global receiving account information. After completing the setup, click Activate or Save. Now, when customers pay through your Shopify store, the payments will be processed by the payment gateway, and the funds can be received through your Payoneer bank details. And that's how you connect Payoneer to your Shopify store for receiving payments. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more helpful Shopify and online business tutorials. Thanks for watching.